Hey bunnies, for today's video I have another unboxing that I'm doing, and it is my first MCM purchase. This is the MCM pouch, I believe is what it's called. I'll leave the description and all that stuff in the description, in the description bar below. So it came in this box right here. I already opened it. This was my Valentine's gift to myself. I decided to get myself something for Valentine's Day because I wanted to treat myself, so I decided to. Alright, so again, it came in this box very unsuspecting, so that if it's at your doorstep, nobody gonna, randomly pick it up. But when you open it, hopefully it's still cute on the inside. Yeah, when you open it, it has the MCM logo, and it comes with an envelope that says thank you on there, but this contains your receipt and return labels. I wrote myself a note, and it came with the, of course, MCM logo on the back. Take it out, there's the MCM logo on the front. Oh, I just noticed that it's like all over it. That's cute. And it says, anything for you, princess. Happy Valentine's Day from me to me. Right there. Super cute, right? Super cute. I just noticed all the MCM all over it, like embedded. This is one of the smaller items on the site, one of the more affordable items on the site. I didn't want to get anything too big and too expensive. So you see how big the box is, right? This is how small the purse is. It comes in this canvas bag, dust bag. Keep it in that. And this is the pouch right here. Super cute. I wanted to get it in the classic, I don't know how to say the word, vestito. And I wanted the, as soon as you see, be like, oh, duh, MCM. It has a pocket in the back with a magnetic clasp. The hardware is in gold. Zipper on top, and it has two pockets on the inside with the MCM logo again. So you have this pocket here and a zipper pocket here. Is there anything in this? Oh shoot, there's stuff in here. What's this? This is care instructions. This is the, okay, so it has a 1-year warranty. It has care instructions. Oh, this is cute. I was not expecting to see this. And caution for storing in English and a bunch of different languages. Look at that. To show you I really didn't, go through the bag like that. But yeah, so you get all of that inside that little pocket thingy. It does come with a strap, which I've already attached to the bag, so you can wear it crossbody, like so, or make it really, really tight and wear it like around your waist, like a fanny pack type of deal. I think I'm more than likely just going to stick the stick the strap into the back like that, keep it clasped, and just carry it in my hand like this, because I don't really like anything across my chest like that. So I'll hold it like this, keep it under my arm. I love her. She's super cute. I know for a fact she can hold like a bunch of stuff, because if you watched my what's the brand called, Brandon Blackwood ESR tote unboxing, you see that I held a bunch of stuff, and this is quite larger and more flexible, so I'll be able to hold a bunch more stuff inside of this. This is going to be like an everyday go around type of bag. Just grab and go. Yeah, I think I covered everything. If you have any more questions about the bag, let me know. Leave it in the comment section below. I'll respond as soon as possible. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.